Hi guys, Alex here. Lucky Janelle is away on a holiday, so just me today. I'll be taking you through all of your July products. So the theme this month is Beauty Snap, which is all about winter essentials. We've got some fun makeup to brighten up your season as well, so I'll be taking you through all of that. Now for any of our returning members, people that are part of our Bellabox family, you already know what this is all about, but for people who are new to the Bellabox family, I want to sort of explain to you a little bit about what we do. So Bellabox is a monthly beauty subscription service. We send out 5+ beauty products in the box to you each month. It's a sampling service. So essentially we're all about getting you to try amazing products. Then you can decide that you like it and purchase, and it just saves you the guesswork, saves you knowing what to choose, what to buy, and introduces you to some awesome brands that you may not have heard of, and brands that you didn't even know existed, or brands that you've heard of and you hadn't tried the products before. So it's what we're all about, educating you guys on what's out there and what's amazing and how to use it. So without further ado, let's get into the first hero product. So as I mentioned, there are some makeup things for you guys. So I want to first introduce you to Luna by Luna. Now you would have seen these because we did have an opt-in, which is now closed, but honestly, these shades are also beautiful. I have no doubt that you will love them all. So the first one is Spiced Pumpkin. It is a gorgeous color, and you kind of get an idea about what color Spiced Pumpkin is. It's a beautiful bronze. Then we have Miracle, which is sort of a dark, it's actually kind of like the color top that I'm wearing today. Then we have two that are quite similar. One is slightly lighter and one is slightly pinkier. Celine is slightly lighter and Juliet is slightly pinkier, but they're both gorgeous. They're all shimmer shades. So we're going to do a few tutorials to show you how to work those in with what you maybe already have, or if you love shimmer shades, then what a treat. The next hero product I have for you guys is another cosmetic product from ModelCo, which is such a well-known and well-established brand in Australia and globally actually. This is their travel size highlighter shimmer whip. This is so gorgeous, perfect to take away with you, or if you're not going anywhere, just hang out at home and check this out. So I'm just gonna swatch this. It looks gorgeous. You don't know if you can see that on camera, but I'll do a close-up as well. It's so perfect for all skin tones, I think. It is just perfect just to dab here, there, obviously top of your cheekbones, just in your Cupid's bow as well, or you can mix it in with your foundation as well. So it creates this kind of subtle strobing effect that leaves the skin looking radiant and healthy. So when we're suffering from a bit of a lack of summer glow in winter, it's perfect for that. So the next product that I want to take you guys through is a product that some of you will be receiving. It's the Plunketts Vitamin E High Potency Natural Vitamin E Cream. So this one is a high potency vitamin E cream. It's natural vitamin E rather than synthetic, which is awesome. It's enriched with rosehip, contains vitamin A and C, as well as omega-3 and 6. It's non-greasy, has no parabens, no artificial colors or fragrances, and Plunketts is Australian made and owned. So it's awesome to be supporting Australian businesses and also ones with such beautiful ingredients as well. So definitely perfect for a winter treat for your skin. The next product I have is from Subi, and this is the Perfect Pimple Patch. I'm so excited for you guys to try these because pimple patches are one of my products that I would never be without in my makeup cabinet. They are amazing for when you get a pimple, and my personal tip is these are better when you've already squeezed the pimple, so the pore is open, but you pop it on top, and essentially what it does is, using revolutionary technology, it essentially draws all of the impurities out of the pimple, making it heal so much faster and flatten a lot easier as well. So they are honestly amazing. I would never be without them now. They also hide the spots as well. So sometimes if I've got like a really bad pimple, I will put it on and then put my makeup over it. That's something I have done before. And it also minimizes scarring and stops you from picking. So Subi is available on a site that you probably have heard us talk about before, Style Story. Style Story do a lot of amazing Korean beauty products. So highly recommend jumping onto their site. They are based in Australia, but they ship Korean and International Beauty. So this is the newest one from them. I'm really keen to see what you guys think. So the next product I have for you guys is an awesome product from a new brand called Olay Wrinkle Cheater. Now, we haven't had anything from this brand before, and this is their first product. It's so exciting. It is 100% natural eye roller serum to help with wrinkle prevention and reversal, which is huge. It's it's just a gorgeous size. This is a full size, I might add. Not all of you will be receiving this. It is vegan, it's made by hand, and it uses antioxidant properties to inhibit muscle cell contraction to slow the aging process. It is clinically proven to reduce wrinkle depth by 22% when used twice a day for 3 weeks. So this is definitely an awesome one to be consistent with to see results. And it is made from a trio of ancient ingredients. So really, really keen to hear what you guys think of this. This is, as I mentioned, a new brand and product for us. So very, very exciting. The next product that I have to show you guys is from Yes to Tomatoes. It is their Clear Skin Detoxifying Charcoal Mud Mask. Now, as we all know, charcoal is fantastic in drawing out impurities. It's great just to do once a week to get all the yuckies out. It also has salicylic acid, which is great for any impurities, drying up pimples, all the rest of it. This is also 98% natural, which is so amazing. Another thing to add is if you might have received this last time, then you won't be receiving it this time. So it's only the people that missed out last time that will be receiving it on this occasion. The next product I have, similarly, is a gorgeous hair mask from Coco Eve. This is called their Lac Aversion Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. I have been using this for the last year, and I find that when I use it, my hair is so much silkier. I have so many less flyaways, and my roots and my ends are thanking me endlessly. So this is really easy. You just shampoo as normal and then evenly distribute the product through towel dried hair, leave for 5 to 10 minutes and rinse. One of the amazing things about this is not only the smell, I wish you guys could smell through the camera, but this is also sulfate free, paraben free, gluten free, cruelty free, and vegan. So ticking all the boxes there. So yeah, those of you who didn't receive it last time will be receiving it this time. So really keen to hear what you guys think as well. We also actually sell this on our shop, on our website. So worth a look if you do like it. So the next collection of products that I have that some of you will be receiving are from Secret Spa. Now, Secret Spa is a new brand for Bellabox, which is so exciting. We always love to bring new brands that we've never sampled before. We've got some ones for the nail lovers who we have on board. So this is a buffing block. Now, some of you will be very familiar with buffing blocks, but for those of you who aren't, they are perfect for doing your nails at home. So, you know, with this weather, it's freezing, you don't really want to go out on a Saturday night. What better way to, you know, pass the time and enjoy your weekends than to stay at home and do a little bit of self-pamper. So this is perfect for when you're doing your nails at home, you want to sort of buff, polish and shine. So for those of you who don't already have one of these, you'll be definitely very happy with this. This next product that some of you will also be receiving is a cuticle oil. How gorgeous is the packaging? You guys can see that. So you literally just dab it onto the cuticles. How gorgeous is that? The best thing about the cuticle oil is it nourishes your cuticles. As you know, they can sometimes get really dry and sort of get in the way of your manicure. So it just moisturizes the fingernails and prevents from dryness and helps them looking gorgeous and polished. And then the last product from Secret is their pomegranate body lotion. Now, this is perfect for replenishing dry skin, is absorbed quickly into the skin, so it's not oily. So it's awesome in winter, especially because you can get out of the shower, put this on and get dressed straight away without having to worry about your skin being oily or it damaging your clothes as well. So yes, all in that winter spirit about keeping your skin hydrated. So this also comes in pomegranate and ocean mist. So some of you, again, will be receiving these ones. And the very last product that I have to show you is Olay face mask. So we haven't sampled Olay ever, if not in years, such a long time. So really excited to be working with Olay again. So this is a sheet mask, which is great for dry and damaged skin, again in the theme of winter. This is deeply hydrating and nourishing. It has peptides and niacinamide, which are absorbed throughout to care for your skin. So you guys know niacinamide is one of my favorite skincare products. It is perfect for making the appearance of your pores smaller, getting rid of any fine lines, and also controls sebum production in your skin as well. So I haven't tried this yet, but I'm really, really excited to. As always, I'm really keen to hear what you guys think of it as well. And the last product I have for you is, as always, your bonus. So some of you will be receiving the Plunketts Nutri-Synergy Working Hands Intensive Hand Cream. Now this is perfect for dry, wintry hands. Sometimes, you know, you're using gloves, you're washing your hands a lot more often sometimes, so definitely get the moisture back into it with this. And the other sachet that some of you might be receiving is from our friends at Revlon Professional. So they have their beautiful Be Fabulous range, but I don't have it here to show you, unfortunately, so we'll make sure we take lots of pictures of it for you, and some of you will be receiving that as well. Well, that wraps up all of our products for July. I hope you guys love it. As always, tell us what you're most excited about. Tell us what you want tutorials of, and any other questions you have, just let us know in the comments below and we'll get back to you. But until next month, I'll see you later, guys. Bye.